Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing something exciting and a little different. This is the Logitech G Yeti Studio Professional Microphone, a dynamic mic that will really up the quality of your streams, music, or whatever you choose to record. So let's get into it. When we first open the package, we see this excellent presentation. Here we have the mic, and then when we fold back this flap, we find a mounting adapter from 3/8 to 5/8. And over here we have this box which contains an alternate color pop filter. And beside that, a bit of documentation. Let's set all of this aside and get to the main event. Here is the mic itself. But before we get into the details, it's time for the peel. Nice. This mic is serious business. On the outside, we have a 270-degree swivel so you can find the right angle no matter how you mount it. On the back here, under this cover, we have some signal filtering options. We have a bass cut, which is good for limiting plosives, bringing out clarity in deep voices, and more. Beside that, we have a presence switch, which just provides a nice lift and shine to the audio source. Inside, we have a dynamic mic capsule that's shock mounted, and it provides a hypercardioid pickup pattern. What this means is the mic focuses on what's in front of the capsule while rejecting sound from the back and the sides. The mic also features ClearAmp technology that provides a 25 dB boost internally, meaning there's no need for any inline signal boosting. With that in mind, let's talk about the connector. This mic is not USB. It uses an industry standard XLR, which means you'll need some form of audio interface to connect it to a computer. Be sure to select an interface that includes something called phantom power, which is usually 48 volts, but sometimes is 24, and that voltage is sent down the XLR cable to the mic to power its internal electronics. Most interfaces provide this, so if you're having troubles getting your mic to pick up audio, be sure your interface is capable of providing it and that it's enabled. Regardless if your interface provides 24 or 48, the Yeti Studio will work with it. Now, to the business at hand. How does the mic sound? Well, you tell me. You've been listening to it for this whole video. This mic is truly excellent and is a true investment. This mic will last you a long time. I hope that tells you everything this mic is about, what comes in the box, and what you'll need to use it. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.